you.
No, I'm trying to see if you're recording.
Oh my gosh.
This video is brought to you by Allstate. Are you in good hands?
No.
Are you in good hands?
Oh, okay. Oh, hey. Hey, buddy.
I could just find it.
Oh, you still got lives left? Okay, man. Okay. Listen, man. Listen, hey. Listen.
Bang, bang. You're dead. Tell me your teammates.
Listen, you dirtbag. I didn't know you were still alive. That's my first life. That's a nice car.
Better than 6, man.
Thank you. Is it not like to open from the inside?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
I don't know what I did with my sped loader.
What?
I love man.
You're literally out of battery, dude. Why are you, dude? Quit. So's your mom.
Jimmy's mom.
After this, after we leave, maybe we could invite Jimmy's back to go with us.
No. No.
No.
No.
I love when you do that. No.
No.
3, 2, 1, go! No, you!
Not your mom's a hoe.
Thank you. Whoa. Did you get, I think you got me. Okay. Well, y'all win.
I got hit twice. I think I hit with GoPro.
Yeah, I think you did. It's okay, I got the...
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I couldn't tell if you were out or not. Who? Did I get you or did he get you the second time? 3 and 1. 3 and 1.
Right here. Stone.
What's got 2?
What the? Is that? This is dead. Don't leave my gun. Don't leave the gun.
Dexter, what are you doing?
Ooh. Dang, that was a tight spot. I got hit in the leg on the way down. But I did a slide cancel, so I guess I'm cool now, right? Right?
What?
Oh, I'm out of breath.
Don't let me forget the mag.
Oh, I'm too out of breath to make jokes and memes.
Ace of space.
No! No! You turned back. What the freak? Oh my god. Dirt, this isn't a good time to be on the field, my friend.
So you recording right now?
Yes, I am.
I am
yes,
too.
I am. All right. Oh, yeah.
Where's
Oh, that close.
Where's the eagle doing?
I'm just gonna.
Oh no! Did I really? I'm so sorry.
Got me right here.
Oh, thank gosh.
No.
You know,
I had free for all.
free for all?
So it's a.
Start now.
Oh my god!
I don't have high for all.
Jeez!
You're the first one.
You got me right here. It's like just under the butt cheek. Like maybe a couple inches.
That's all right.
I felt like Mark from Unis Honest when Ethan shot him with a paintball in the butt cheek. He went.
Oh, that's the best
Yeah.
Lunchables.
yeah, bro. That's what I got right
So
here.
much.
Been sitting in my car for hours on end. It's gonna be good.
That has a lot of power for a handgun.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I mean, for.
Well, I mean, I shot you. You shot me back.
Oh.
I was expecting your shot back. I wouldn't have shot you if I wasn't.
It's fair enough, man. That was pretty funny, though. You ain't got no moves. Okay, now I ain't got no moves. Some of these pouches onto it, which we don't have time for. Well, I was thinking about it. Listen. I was thinking about it as I was talking, okay? Oh, okay, traitor.
Now we're in the Boston Park Street. Look at a map, go to the mark sheets. Take me to your right box.
Okay.
I'd really love to. Shut up.
Shut up. Just stop.
I'm going crazy.
Tactical tool, baby.
Children are running around everywhere.
Is he just running for? Is it working? Let me try again. I hear it running.
You hear it running?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's fine.
That seemed like a really genuine thank you. It's like, dude,
And
thank you.
One seeing great gas boots where it's like. The most genuine.
It's like, dude. I've never had somebody do something so nice for me. If I was left outside in this weather tonight, the thought of your kindness would keep me warm.
What? Bro, this is the most bullcrap I've ever heard.
We're doing a bit right now.
Oh, he's a sniper.
You got a scope on that mug? You mind if I see?
Oh my gosh.
Heck yeah.
That's why I also got for Christmas.
Heck yeah. Aw, dude, and your scope is lined up pretty good too. That's pretty sick, man. Okay. He's hit. I think there's still one behind this black bunker. Okay, there's two blue barrels that are slanted back there. Do you see him? Yeah. He's on the left one. Yeah, he's out. Oh, got him. Yeah, you can move up. Just find some good cover. I'm gonna start moving up. All right. Woo! Hey, we got some over here, immediately right side in the woods. There's one down here on the right side of the woods. If I stand up, he's able to see me.
I'm moving to you.
Okay, just stay low.
Okay. How you doing?
Yeah, doing great. How about you? Already lost a life?
Yeah.
Rip. Got one.
We got a guy on our right.
He's hit? Okay, there could be one.
Him? Was that him?
There's still one more down
Is
there.
there one more?
I can hear him.
Where is it?
Oh, that's a hit.
Yeah.
I can't tell. I'm dead.
My battery probably got to you again. It died.
No. Gotta love it. Once you
I
respawn.
picked my head up one time,
Ah.
and the dude from the right got me.
Okay, we got one beaming right at that black cover. That black cover right there. My BBs aren't even reaching. All right, go, 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 go!
Dang, we put our suspect in the movement.
Yeah, but we didn't really have a choice. This time I'm gonna make our way through the cover left.
That's where I was shooting from right here. We got 10 hits from the right.
Oh crap, I think there is one in woods left. And they got one from the right. I'm gonna move in front of you, Rat.
I'm gonna move up with you.
Go, 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 go! I don't know if I got hit, but I think I did. I'm gonna call it.
I got hit as soon
As soon as you hopped in there.
as I hopped over and shot me over.
All right,
We got one more left.
same here. I'm gonna try to make it count. Oh crap, I'm out. Am I out? Hello? Yep. Come on now. What's the problem? Oh no, do we have a broken spring? Dr. Phil, no. That's a broken spring, Ghost Rider. I got some more. It's all right. Oh, thank you.
Straight ahead by the, okay, blue barrel to the left. By the little bitty pine tree.
Yeah, I see him.
That's this.
You out?
Is he out? Is he out?
Oh shoot. Oh, you okay? Hey, you said that's all for y'all's team, right? That's it. All right, that's game.
Oh, we won that.
Heck yeah.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah. Oh, jeez. Woo! Oh, fudge me! Oh! Yes! It is taking everything in my body not to punch this thing right now, dude. Dadgummit.
Why did you miss? You scared the fuck out of me.
I don't know why it missed. The winds was like, you know what?
You definitely had
I had you front and center. Scale issue. L plus freaking ratio, dude. God.
Nothing like having somebody square in your sights and your battery dies.
Oh, rip. Was it me?
I don't think yeah.
Dang, man.
You lit me up.
I'm so sorry. I'm so angry. I made it all the way here. I was here. Freaking here. I like how Lunchables is basically the MRE of kids. Let's go.
This is mine for a while.
Oh.
Here's mine.
Mine just sounds like a Polar Express train that's stuck in the same place.
Oh, like on the ice?
Oh no, I'm talking about like a toy one you put under your tree. You know when the batteries are like doo, 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 doo.
Yeah.
And also the silencer either. I didn't come here.
That's a good gun. It feels good.
Oh.
This one?
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it does.
I was complimenting you. I was complimenting the gun. You should go fuck yourself.
Ethan, you don't deserve compliments.
Did you just look at me and go F yourself? Is that what you just did?
Have y'all ever had snow here?
Snow in
Not while I've been here. Now I know snow has been here before, but I haven't played in it.
We got snow ghillie suit guy just.
That one dude that's just been waiting for it to snow in Hansville. Finally! You okay? Ooh. You gonna be okay, man? All right, do you need, like, when you say no, you don't think so, like, do you need attention or?
No, I don't need attention.
Okay, okay.
No, maybe from a girl, but not medical attention.
Okay. No.
Guess what I have in my backyard? You know what? A trampoline? Better. A basketball goal? Better. What is a carbon? 33 aborted fetuses.
We're going to do a 43 aborted fetus pattern.
Yeah, but I am a man with
33 aborted fetuses. I am a man with 5 ovens.